as you might already know, we have different forms of one word, and each form means something different. So today we're going to go over the word to convince. أقنع. So the word أقنع, I'm going to give you the spelling because I feel like it's a little hard. It is ألف ها نون عين. So there's a last letter عين. So أقنع, to convince. I'm going to use it in some sentences and show you the differences, okay? So أقنعت صاحبتي تيجي معي. I convinced my friend to come with me. أقنعت قنعت صاحبتي تيجي معي. I convinced my friend to come with me. So this is just a regular verb and we're using it as a regular verb, okay? Now, another way you can use it is قنعتهم بالموضوع. I convinced them about like the topic or whatever. So I convinced my friend or I convinced them. So this is again just a regular verb. Then we have another form which is qana'a. Now, if you Google the word qana'a, it means conviction. I feel like this word conviction is more like legal stuff. So, and it's not honestly, it's not that deep. Qana'a, I would say it's more like satisfaction, acceptance. This is how I would translate the word qana'a. So, for example, a sentence I would say ما عندهم قناعة بأي شيء. Which basically means they do not have any satisfaction with anything, or they don't accept anything easily. Like they're hard to please. This is how I would translate the word qana'a. So this is a noun and you use it as a noun. Honestly, I just thought of an idea that I would do this as an exercise in a workbook. I would write sentences in English or in Arabic, and then I will put the same root in different forms, not necessarily verb, but like أقنع, the verb أقنع, قناعة is a noun, and you are going to decide which forms is going to be best in this sentence. I think this is a really great idea to a new workbook. So, since we're talking about workbooks, check out my workbooks in my Etsy shop, Aralola, and there are plenty of workbooks for like beginners, intermediate, prepositions, adjectives, feelings, all of it, and I'm planning to create new ones. They're like on the work. I'm not gonna repeat what I already have. So what I already have, it's is this is what I have. The things that are coming, they're gonna be new stuff, not repeated stuff. Okay. Back to the word qana'a. Now we have another one, qanu'. Qanu' is an adjective. Qanu'. So basically, when you describe someone as they easily accept or go with whatever, not whatever, it's not like a bad thing, it's just like they're easy to please, like they're simple, you know. So qanu, it's an adjective, and for a female you would say qanu'a, just like any adjective goes by gender, male and female. Qanu and qanu'a. So I already explained to you three different forms. Qana, a noun, aqna is a verb, and qanu is an adjective. Now the last one is muqna. This is also an adjective we use, and it's describing the topic itself. It's like this is actually convincing. So muqna basically means convincing. Also, it's like an adjective form, so it goes by gender. So, qanu' is describing a person as easy to accept things like simple, being simple. However, the word muqna' is like you're listening to something and you say, oh, this is actually convincing. Yeah, I agree with it. So that's what we call muqna'. So, aqna, qana'a, qanu', muqna'. I hope this helps. And let me know if you like this episode. If you like it, please press like. Check out my workbooks in my Etsy shop, Aralola. I also teach Arabic one on one. Let me know if you are interested. Thank you. Bye.